You know what time is it? It's picnic waspa time. Hello, hi and namaste. Welcome back to another Sunday. Okay, boini maka disti podona a good day. I need to get rid of these glasses. You can see the title already. It's picnics, especially in the Goan style. So today we are going to talk everything about the picnics. Also, I'm wearing a hat because picnics, everybody likes to go for outings, especially with their family, friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is. They like to spend some time, right? And there are a lot of things that are common and there are a lot of things that are repetitive. It's like an outline that every picnic has. So that is what I'm gonna talk about today. Basically, the things that people do when we go for picnic cake. Yes, cakes. If you're someone from Mumbai with a sweet tooth, I would highly recommend Sweet Binge. They literally have the best homemade cakes and you should definitely check them out.
If you check out their Instagram page Sweet Binge, they have cupcakes, brownies and also cakes for various occasions with a variety of flavors, and you can customize it the way you want it. They were kind enough to send me a cake with a photo roll in it, which was customized with my pictures, and it did not only look good but also tasted really nice.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know you guys might be drooling right now, so sorry for that. Go check them out. The link is in my description. Okay, coming back to our topic. This video might be relatable to anybody for that matter, but I am just making it from a Goan perspective. So, without any much blabbering, let's just get started. So, let me tell you this, okay? Picnics, especially in Goa, can happen at any point of time. It does not necessarily have to be a summer. So one day maybe you're just chilling in the balcony with your family or maybe your friends. Somewhere you're chilling and one fellow just goes like, "Tuk disna gormi chod zalmun," meaning like, don't you feel it's too hot nowadays? The next moment you know you're probably in your car or maybe on your bike with your friends, like going towards the beach or the Zori to have bath. Like it's that spontaneous. By the way, for those of you who don't know, Zori means a spring. This kind of picnic doesn't even need that much of a thinking. Like you're on your way, you stop by a shop, you will take whatever you want, maybe a soft drink and 5 chips at your pocket and on your way. Picnic 1 minute. Ready? Now, Masha. Let's go. Opposite to the spontaneous picnics, we have the pre-planned picnics. Now, under pre-planned picnics, wow, I am so proud the chart that I have made. Under pre-planned picnics, we have a school picnic. School picnics are like the initial highlights of our lives. It's the time where we actually start to discover what picnics are like. And my school took us to a lot of places, okay, like Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Science Center Miramar, Selauli Dam and other places like Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, the Science Center Miramar and the Selauli Dam and many more places like the Selauli Dam, you know. Other than that, we have the youth community or the Vada picnics. And oh my god, if you're one of those guys or girls who have arranged community Vada picnic, you know how much of a pain, how much of a tras they are to organize that. It's like you have to arrange for the proper food in the proper budget or else people will complain. You have to get a bomb ass location, resort, beach or whatever it is within the budget or else people will complain. You have to arrange the top class, budget friendly transport, okay? Otherwise people will complain. Arre bro, I knew a better and cheaper place than this. I would have, helped you out with this. What place is this? Is expensive? Not worth it. Oh my god, Sabi, what kind of place is this? How LS? The water, the chlorine is just too much for my skin.
बाबा ये सो बस केलो रे ते चिकन कोडी तू चिकन लोगो बाहेर पण मगे सगळी केडी सारखी चेपण पिकनिक होय तो सरकार पावपा प्लॅन आणलो की तुम गेलो कित कोताय की तू पैसे दिनुई 50 रुपया कंट्रीब्यूशन कोण एसो बस कोताय तुम्ही.
Sabi, my homeboy be like, beaches. When I was sending 2000 messages in the WhatsApp group that we have asking for suggestions, where were you? Auntie, okay, who complains about everything and everybody, even if it's perfect. You know you're really lucky because I did not tell the driver to start the bus when you got down to pee. Naak zyada karta hai. Let's discuss the events and the types of people during these picnics and how they behave. Hands down, it is not a picnic, okay, if you don't start the journey towards your picnic spot without saying, "Be with us, merry along the way." Yeah, and the same thing while coming back. I'm sorry because if that is not what is happening in your case, I am rejecting your picnic application. So now the picnic journey has begun and you know the first thing that everybody does is Antakshari. It reaches to a point where it's not Antakshari anymore. People are just randomly singing the song that they feel with the vibe, and everybody just gets along. Not everybody, you know the superhuman who be sleeping at this time even though it's noisy AF, they don't care, they fall in deep sleep. Like, how do you all do that? Okay, now some of the common songs that we sing are like Give Me Some Sunshine, Give Me Some Rain, then Pathshala ka that Ek Khuda Tujhko Bata, that song, the Goan Masala, Lona's classics, Yo Baile Yo, of course. Then we have a Meera Meera, I mean you have to sing this, whether it's the Rose or whether it's the Picnic. Then Goa Meri Hai, Bombay Meri Hai, Darling Open the Door, Oh Carol, like the names are endless. Comment down and let me know the songs that you all sing, you know. It's time to talk about the people. You know, there will always be this one over enthusiastic uncle or auntie that is having a midlife crisis. They are way much older than us, but their spirit is like really young. And uncle, seriously, I don't want to rain on your parade. I really appreciate that you're so alive at this age, but don't expect me to play Antakshari while coming back from the picnic, because my soul is dead. You youngsters don't dance, then who oldies will dance? Dance re. Ago sing go, sing. Small kids you all are, huh? Enjoy. There is somebody in the bus who is vomiting their lungs out, but this uncle will still be like, Ago sing go, sing. Next we have the Bebdo gang. Now this Bebdo gang does not only consist of young guys but also uncles, because that is the only day their wife will get off their back probably, and they just want to blow off the steam. No offense, but out of this lot there would be this one guy who drinks so much and is the representative of everyone's capacity of alcohol, right? So he will drink so much that he will either convert into this really happy guy or a really creepy guy. Then among the lot we have this group of aunties who will like to collect so much of information that they can use to gossip the whole year till the next picnic. See, I know you all guys think, Emelina, why are you behind the aunties so much, because someday you're gonna be an auntie too. I am, that's true, but not like them. You cannot forget that one girl who just come for the picnic to take pictures. You know the bikini shoot? She makes everybody take her pictures, no matter if it's near the wall, near the trees or near the changing room. By the way, the changing room is only for the rich people, because for the picnics and the Zori picnics that we go, we have to go Zada Mode, and it's fun. In that fun moment, there have been a couple of times that I've worn my t-shirt ulta or worn my pant ulta and yeah, gone home just like that. Then we have the lovey-dovey couples. They're in their corner doing their own thing, haath pakadna, धीरे धीरे smooshing करना, because they're the couples. I am sorry, I know I'm obsessed with the beginning shoot, but तुम कौन है? तुम का नहीं सांग पाना का? Wait, let me introduce you to the unofficial head of the picnic, and that person behaves something like this. Roseanne, Romeo, Savitri, सगळे जॉन पावले नु, बंटी हुया, aha मरे बाप, okay. सगळ्यांगे बुरगी आहे मुगो, Severin. Aha mugo bhai. Where is your partner? Everybody do fast. Begi gora iswa boss uttoli ha. Picnics are incomplete if someone's kid does not get lost. Like all of a sudden, their parents are like having fun and all, and suddenly they realize, oh, they have a kid that they're supposed to take care of. You know, then there is this group of cool people, these sports people who play volleyball or football by the beach. Is it just me? Am I that unlucky that every time I pass by, I have to get the ball on my head or my back? Like, am I a ball attractor to the ball that we play with? Okay, don't take me wrong. You should really do kumsari. Okay, so here's the thing, right? OG people, when they go into the water, maybe it's swimming pool or the beach, they will not wear the swimsuit. We wear jerseys. Like, ultimately, it's your choice. But there are some kids whose parents don't let them go in the sun because of the tan, or there are some teens or pre-teens that take a lot of care of their skin and they are, you know, living in the fear of getting tan. Like, live a little. And I am just not telling you out of the air. Let me show you the sunburn festival that I would go to. So this person is me. I mean, I just didn't give a hoot. Like, my sopa estad na. Like, there came a point where my mother failed to recognize it was me. I know that picture was in 2014 and I still look like I'm 14. but that's not a point. But that represents the fun I had, and I have zero regrets. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Share this video with all your friends, okay, that you've ever gone for a picnic, or your family that you've gone for a picnic with, so that they can relive the memories, you know. Comment down and let me know your favorite part about this video. And wait, before you go, please don't forget to check out Sweet Binge for amazing cakes all over Mumbai. The link to their Instagram is given in the description, so do check it out. And yeah, I hope you have more amazing picnics and outings coming your way. Until then, Mog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.